So this is me attempting to go on a holiday with a small suitcase as opposed to my husband who is taking a full size one. So we're going on a cruise, 7-day cruise to Alaska, but we're also spending another week travelling in Vancouver, where we're going to watch the Laver Cup tennis, and then we're going down to San Francisco by train, where we'll then fly out of. So I'm taking a pair of white sneakers, just a pair of slides, and I will be wearing these sneakers, which I can use for running, gym, and walking around Alaska, I guess. But I'll be wearing those on the plane. So I have this vision that I will be exercising on the boat. So I've got shorts, 2 pairs. Usually I live in leggings, so I'm taking 3 pairs of leggings and 1 pair of sort of comfy track pants for the boat. Squeeze them in. I will wear jeans on the flight, so they don't need to be packed. In terms of t-shirts, 3 t-shirts. Then I have singlet tops, which I'm thinking I'll be using in the gym or running on the boat. I'm assuming there's a track, and I do know they have pickleball courts, so I will be pickleballing every day as well. Then I've got, you know, 7 pairs of underwear, some bras and socks, of course. They're all fitting in nicely. Sort of an exercise rain jacket that can just roll up, takes up very little room. Right, so I need some long sleeve tops because it's kind of the end of the cruise season up in Alaska. So, you know, this is warm merino. 1, 2, 3 long sleeve tops, right, most of them in my favourite colour of black. 1 sort of jersey jumper, that's my good jumper. A nightie, a black rain jacket can go in, and I do have a warm coat. I bought this just for this cruise. I call it my Alaska coat. So that's warm, it's not waterproof, but I'll wear that on the plane and travelling. I've got a cap, so that'll go as well. And then I also will just pack a few snacks because, you know, I'm always in this mind that there's no food around. I will carry a crossover bag. It'll have my passport and cash and cards in it, and I will also carry a backpack. So this is like my carry-on bag for the plane, and I'll just have my laptop, more snacks, and then just all little bits and pieces that I'll need on the plane. So I've written a list, and look, that does fit in there. There's plenty of room. By the time I get my toiletries, makeup bag, I'm pretty certain that this bag is enough.